These are the best Quest 2 advice that nobody ever told you about. I'm sure you've heard several YouTubers, including myself, talk about how you should never let your Quest fully die, and instead letting it reach 20% and then charging it all the way up to 80. Well, the truth is that you are allowed to let the headset die every once in a while, and sometimes even more than that. The changes in battery life over time is not that noticeable, and you'll only notice it like a year down the line. However, if you do let the headset die constantly, it will still negatively affect the battery life, so try not to kill the headset over time, but don't be like having nightmares because you let it die to 0% this morning. It's okay to not have friends to play with. Most people don't have VR headsets, and only about 2% of Steam users have a VR headset, which means that there aren't many people to play with, and that's totally fine. There are many games out there that have cross-platform with your flat screen gaming friends like Roblox, Minecraft, Phasmophobia, and even more. Even if you don't have friends in general, there are amazing story games that you can play alone like Half-Life Alyx, Blade and Sorcery, The Walking Dead, Saints and Sinners, and much more. VR is absolutely endless in what you can do, and trust me, you will never get bored. And if you do want to find a friend or people to talk to, just hop into VR chat. There are tons of people who are welcoming. I guarantee you can find a friend over there. You don't have to log in with a Facebook account anymore. As of recent, it has been said by Zuckerberg himself that in the future you will not need a Facebook account to log into your Quest, and this is to give people more freedom in how to log in. They're going to create something called meta accounts that will be integrated into your Quest, and you're going to also have to agree to a whole new terms of service when you do make this account. This might raise some eyebrows for other people, but I am totally fine with it, and has said that it's going to be coming in August, so a month away, and personally I will be switching to this account, and let me know if you will too in the comments. Despite what I've been saying and what other YouTubers have been saying as well, you don't necessarily need to buy accessories. I know the Quest head strap is absolutely terrible, but there is a way to make it feel better, and it won't make you go out and buy a $50 head strap, probably the elite strap that Meta has been trying to sell you, which break very easily. If you have the back strap low enough of the back of your head, and you have the top middle strap carry majority of the Quest weight, using the Quest 2 will be comfortable and usable. For a while, I've had the back strap a little bit high up on my head, so the Quest just felt lower and more heavy in the front of my head. You also don't need a battery bank to keep your Quest charged, as you can just use the 2-hour battery life to take breaks from using your Quest and rest your eyes so you can prevent eye strain in the process. You also don't need controller grips or anything else for the Quest controllers, because to be honest, they are already pretty comfortable and probably pretty comfortable for many others as well, so you don't have to go out and buy like an index copy grip to hold your controller. You can, but this is all just to save money. If you're interested in Quest 2 apps and games, I have a video of Quest 2 apps that have completely changed my life.